Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you through exactly how to insert images into Figma. Whether you're building a sleek user interface, putting together a quick wireframe, or just experimenting with design ideas, knowing how to bring images into your Figma files is a fundamental skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have 3 different super convenient methods for adding images to your designs, and you'll understand which might work best for your situation. Alright, let's get right into it. The first method is the official built-in way. Head up to the very top of your Figma window and look for the Figma logo in the upper left corner. Give that a click. That's kind of like your file menu in most other programs. From here, hover over File, then select Place Image. You'll see a window pop up that lets you browse for the image you want to use on your computer. Choose your file, then click Open. Now your cursor will change, almost like you're holding the image on your mouse pointer. Just click anywhere on the canvas, or click and drag to set the exact size you want, and there it is. The great thing about this method is it imports the image at its original quality and gives you precise control over where it lands. If you ever want to replace that image later, you can simply select it and change the image from the Properties panel. Try not to rush. Sometimes it takes a second for large images to show up, so don't panic if it's loading for a moment. Now let's look at the second method, which gives you a bit more creative flexibility. Suppose you already have a shape on your canvas, maybe a rectangle, an ellipse, or you've created a frame for a section of your mockup. Select the shape or frame you want to fill. Look over on the right under the Design panel and find the Fill section. You'll probably see a color swatch there. Click on this color and a pop-up will appear with some options. See that little drop-down near the top that says Solid? Click on it and choose Image. Figma will prompt you to upload an image from your computer. Once you pick your file, boom, the image fills your shape or frame perfectly. This is a really powerful approach when you want to mock up profile thumbnails, app cards, or device screens with precise image backgrounds. If the image doesn't quite fit right away, you can use the crop and fit tools to adjust it. Don't worry if it looks a bit off at first. You have full control to tweak it just how you want. If you're all about speed and simplicity, you'll love this third method, drag and drop. Just open up the folder on your computer with your desired image, and make sure you can see both the folder and your Figma canvas at the same time. Click and hold your image file and simply drag it straight onto your Figma project. Release the mouse button and your image appears right where you dropped it. Seriously, it's that easy. This is perfect for those times when you want to work quickly or you have multiple images to bring in at once. And that's it, 3 simple but powerful ways to insert images into Figma. Whether you prefer the precision of the menu, the flexibility of filling shapes, or the pure speed of dragging and dropping, you've got options to fit every workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on design tutorials, and happy designing!